Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann.
And we are going to do one of our favorite sandwiches today for you. It is in the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook on page 61 if you're following along. And it's called Thick Heirloom Tomato Open Face Sandwich.
From about mid-August before, as soon as the great tomatoes are ready, until they are no longer available. This is part of the lunch that my husband and I eat every day. And when we have guests,
every day,
this is what we give them. So it starts.
And what's so cool is because in their garden they grow all kinds of huge heirloom tomatoes, and they're half eaten by slugs or bugs, but they just cut out that section and serve it anyway. And also they've got bushels of basil, which are a huge part of this. So it's easy in the summer.
We love this Nestemacher bread, which is a really dense rye bread, which has to be 3 times toasted. And it just so happens that by mistake, I left this. You can see it's like a cracker, maybe too much like a cracker because I happen to have left it overnight in the toaster. But
after toasting it twice, it just sat there dehydrating.
I'll bet you it won't matter.
And dehydrating. So it's like a diving board. I mean,
makes a difference though. Now I'm going to put some hummus. I love the Engine 2 hummus. Smear this on nice and thick, and then I'm going to put on some green onions, and lots of green onions.
I got to catch up with you.
I'm going to put some cilantro.
This is basil, by the way.
And then often I will take kale and chop it in tiny little pieces so it almost looks like cilantro. But here I have some arugula. Arugula is really powerful, so eat it as much as you can. And then
okay, you put cilantro on yours. I'm going to put spinach on mine, or arugula. I'm going to put spinach on mine.
The top slice I always eat myself, and then I nice and thick slice, and put that right here. And another nice thick slice, and put that right here. And Jane, I actually find it most convenient to really actually, before I put these on, I usually will try and cut this in half.
Oh, because it's so big?
Because it makes it. And then on the top, Jane, where's the basil?
Right here.
Oh, Jane has cut this basil up. But before I put on the basil, this is the key thing. Some of this, I love, this is balsamic vinegar. This happens to be their 4-leaf, which is their basic. But if you get a good balsamic, and then put that on top here. Now the crazy thing is, watch, I have to do this to get it all in.
You massage the
tomato to get all that good balsamic in. And then top it, which is the
basil.
Oh, here it is, with the basil.
Oh, I have basil in the bottom. I have basil in the middle.
And
actually, all her rules.
I put basil inside also, especially when we are just loaded with basil. And this is absolutely deliciously amazing. So easy to make. And because, and any tomatoes work. You don't have to have the heirloom.
Goodness, I did everything wrong. I didn't cut it on time. I put the basil on too many layers, I didn't finger massage the vinegar in.
Mine will be way better, maybe. All right.
Cheers. Go make your own. I hope you actually grow your own tomatoes and your own basil. That would make it so easy.
Oh, delicious.
All right.
Bye.
Enjoy. Bye-bye.